เส้นไหนยังไงที่แบบว่าถ้ามันมีรถไฟวิ่งอ่ะ
พอรอรถไฟมา10นาทีมาคือ15 นาทีมาคัน
ให้รถไฟมันไปก่อน
เหนื่อยสัตว์
เออ
แล้วดูแล้วก็ต้อง
รถไฟก่อนเรามาอยู่นี้ก่อน
We are in Asari, the station before Otaru. It's good to be here for the picture. Powdery naman eh. Hindi siya frozen. Dagat na yun oh. Nice. Oh, there's a train.
请不要靠近铁轨拍照，非常危险。 관리 말씀드립니다. 대단히 위험하므로 선로 주변 사진 촬영을
Hey, Daddy.
금지합니다.
You are in Asaris. We are in Asari Station. So, magpapaka-Instagrammer lang tayo. Kabila.
Nên chờ không phải tặc 사는
Wow. Christmas, Mama. God. Hi! We are in Otaru again! Oh my gosh! Super snowing. Yan. Yan. So, hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina, bawal. Pero nagpunta kami dun sa Nika Whiskey Distillery. So, and now, nandito na kami sa Otaru. Okay, so, and heavy yung snowing. Katulad kagabi uli. So, yan. Tama kayo.
No.
Gala tayo dito.
Knowing
Look at that.
why did my mom wait for this?
Snowing, snowing.
so happy for the
One time we're gonna go over.
And, ay, kinakay. Sobrang snowing. Naglalakad kami papunta sa kanal. But we will stop for lunch. Oh, kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway. Kaway tayo sa mga vloggers. I have 99 subscribers.
Subscribe ko na si Chen para 100 na.
Sabi ko nga, magpaparaffle ako pag naka 100 na ako eh. Sabi ni RC, lugi ka pa.
Subscribe ko na Chen para
Oh. Careful ha.
everybody.
Christmas.
No littering.
No, it's not that deep.
No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain. Torifito. Hello. We are here in one of the restaurants that we passed by near the main street. Daddy, what's the name again of the main street?
Sakay Machi.
Sakay Machi din, di ba? Sakay Machi. So, here in Otaru. Tapos, pumasok kami sa isang restaurant kasi yung target sana namin, yung parang steak house. The one we tried before, nung last nagpunta kami dito. Kaya lang, unfortunately, nagpo-close sila from 2 to 5. So, 5 uli yung open for the dinner. So, naghanap na lang kami ng any open na restaurant. And, dito kami, pumasok kami sa isang street. And then, yun. Dito kami, tinan yung style ng floor, ng dining area nila. Tatami. Ayan. So, tatami. Ayan. Yun sila. Pero sila daddy Ken, nandun sa kapila. Sila ape.
Sakay Machi. Sakay Machi. Pala yung Sakay Machi na. Kaya pala.
Oo, yun nga. That's the one. I said, ko, Sakay Machi, parang nakapunta na tayo sa Sakay Machi. Yung pala, yung Otaru nga, yung street na yun, the famous street, where you get to see all the, tourist spots, or yung famous spots here in Otaru, actually located in Sakay Machi. Apart from the Otaru Canal, of course. Ayun, so nag-order kami. Later, kain tayo. Samahan nyo kami sa pagkain, ha? Yan dapat.
Okay, wala pa tayong chopsticks eh.
Daddy, one for daddy. Mamaya tayo kumain. Okay. Kain tayo. Have 2 scallops. We ordered scallops. We're supposed to order oysters, but it's sold out.
Itadakimasu.
Sarap. Kuha mo yan. Ito mo tayo eh. Sabay ka. Yum. Try na natin to. Siguro nakuha niya naman yun, kaya alam mo. Ang laki yung. Sarap. Try natin.
Oo.
Ako, sarap. Kuya Ralph. This is what you're missing.
Yummy.
Finally. Yan, dumating na rin yung order. Here. May soup din, Daddy. Soup. Okay. Busog na ako kakain ng side dishes nila. So, ano gagawin ko rito? Ba't asay soy sauce? Soy sauce din ba yan? Kasi tempura yun, di ba?
What concept?
Tadaikimasu. Let's try. Try muna natin. Ito lang. Pero I like it always with a wasabi. Parang hindi ako makapaniwala na salmon mo yun. Salmon ba lang ba in-order ko? Sarap. I mean, salmon lang ba in-order ko? So, set na to, 3,000 yen. Medyo mahal siya. Tapos, ito yung may kasamang miso. A little of side dishes. Tapos, mainit yung rice. Gusto ko lang ito mga kakikili. Para makagana na tayo sa labas. So, this... Mason! Hi! Say mo hi, guys!
guys. Hi, Mister.
Say mo, please subscribe to my Andes, ano?
So please subscribe to the channel.
Sabi niya, subscribe. Come here.
The next day.
Good morning. Currently we are still in Sapporo and it's my birthday today. Thank you. Sila Mami Carol at saka sila Mami D. La Mami D on the way na going to the airport. Sila Mami Carol, likely by this time, nasa airport na sila o just waiting to be boarded sa kanilang flight going back to Manila. So, kami ay magstay pa here for another 2 more days, excluding today. Yung flight namin is Sunday pa. Okay? So, MJ's there. I just want to show you ito yung birthday greeting sa akin ni Papa God. So look at that. It's snowing outside. Snowing outside Sapporo. Na 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 na. Outside. Look at that. It's mesmerizing, right? We are in Daimaru Mall. And there is this, big glass window. And then downstairs is already Sapporo Station, diba?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the front of Sapporo.
South exit.
Yeah.
West 8.
So, yeah. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, what's our plan today, for today? It's a chillax day,
Chillax
actually.
day,
We
yeah.
didn't plan anything today. After we went to Otaru last night, it was good. However, there's too much snow. I think it's snowstorm already.
Yeah.
And yun nga, kung gusto mo pala talagang maka-experience ng snowing and everything is white, you really need to come here in Hokkaido. So, hindi mo na i-wish kasi everyday binibigyan mo na ng snow. But it was a good trip. We were able to do a lot of things yesterday. We went to whiskey distillery.
Yeah,
Nika Whiskey Distillery. And Daddy was able to buy a couple. And then after that, doon kami medyo na late kasi nagkaroon ng delay sa train.
Yeah.
So, medyo more than 30 minutes din kami na delay. So, when we were able to go na to Otaru, yung target place namin to eat is already closed. So, that's why we just ate yung unang makita namin na food alley.
Yep.
So, ayun. But it was a good experience as well. Except that there's way too much snow as yun. Kaya hindi na rin namin talaga nakadaan ka pa rin kami sa Otaru Canal. Nakita pa rin namin siya. Pero syempre halos hindi mo na makita, it's covered with snow. So much snow. At saka we feel na habang papalapit kami dun sa kanal, which is basically papalapit ka sa dagat, para kaming binubuhusan, binabaldehan ng isang damukal na snow. Yeah, we just gave up and went back to the station. And we were able to go back to Sapporo after 35 minutes train ride.
Yeah. So mga 7:35 for here.
Mhm.
7:40 settle down. So
Yeah. And that actually ended our day yesterday. And today, we're gonna start another day here in Sapporo. So, samahan niyo na kami. Tara, maki-birthday na kayo. Let's go. So, ayan, we're going inside Daimaru Mall. Tama, ayan yung mga stores. Actually, pag sa Sapporo Station, pasyalan na talaga siya. As it is. Ay, baka may makita tayong magandang rugs pang kwarto ni MJ, ah.
Kasi.
No, mabigat yun.
What?
Atay ng mga... Oh. Ay, baka may makita tayo dito na magandang dress. The one that you said you like. So, dito, ang ganda talaga ng mga dresses dito sa Japan. Ayan, oh. Gusto ko yan. Pero feeling ko hindi sa akin kakasya yan. Parang gustong gusto ko yan, oh. I like that dress. But I think they don't have any kind of dress na may fit sa size ko. We'll see. Ang ganda ng mga dresses dito sa Japan. So, tingnan natin. MJ, oh. Or mga iba-iba yung mga bag. Mga bags. Popper jacket. Ang ganda yan. Warm without the weight. Yan na talaga yung uso ngayon. Diba? Halika na, punta na tayo doon sa afford natin. Meron ditong mga bags na will I indulge? So there's also something like this here. MJ, oh. Ito chocolate, oh. And gusto mo yan sa'yo? Anong gusto mo? Ganda ng mga cakes. Oh, Valentine. Hindi natin maubos yun. O ano, pili ka. Dami. Sarap. Ay, ito nakakain yung nito.
Yeah.
Ayan, oo, mukhang masarap yan. Good choice.
Oh, okay, yan.
So, there's so much stuff here to choose from. Daifu. Fukudo. Ito, Royce. Mga Royce. Pero marami na yan sa sa...
Ja, vind ik heel leuk. Dat zal je doen. Sneeuw.
Nuts. Ito mga jelly and fruit stand. Halika na. Ay, teka, tingin tayo ditong fruits. Wow. What's with the strawberry? Why it's so expensive?
食べ比べセットだって。夢の深い意味よりニュース。
So much strawberries. Mga kakikikis, binabagyo na naman tayo. Snowstorm.
Kumapit ka sa akin.
Ay, wala pala kaming spike. Hold each other. So, too much snow.
Yeah.
MJ, you hold, daddy. Okay? So, we'll cross. Ayun yung hotel namin, actually. After the brick hotel. Ay, ito, sorry. Ito na pala.
Ayun na.
Pagtawid na, actually.
Pagtawid mo, yung na yan.
Okay.
That's it.
Alright, so we have to be careful. Naku, madulas. So, we'll cross the bridge. We'll cross the road pala. Sobrang lamig, mali-mali na. Look at that. Look at that. Parang ano, no? Mga cakes. Uy, madulas. Kailangan natin maglagay. Ah. So, yun lang. Careful ka talaga dito.
Here, here, here.
So, okay, nasa na si ano? KKKs. Non-stop snowing here in Sapporo. Kung gusto nyong makakita at maka-experience ng ganito, punta lang kayo ng ganitong time of the year. Yan, February, month of February, first 2-3 weeks for sure. Or even the entire month of February, I think. Or January, February yan. Sure win. Simula na nandito kami parang isang araw. Walang araw na hindi nag-snow. Pero ito yung pinakamalakas. Look at us. Yan. So we're gonna cross again. Dito. Uy, shucks. Ang dulas. Madulas. Kailangan na magdahan-dahan. Ayan na yung hotel namin. Matanong ko na, nakalagay, Crown Plaza. Ang lapit lang. Ang lapit-lapit lang pala. There you go. Look. Look. Ang saya-saya naman. Yan, sige. Ito yung background natin. Ang dilim ko. Yan, hello mga kakikikis. Bumalik muna kami saglit sa hotel from Sapporo Station. Tingnan nyo naman. Konting snow lang naman. Saglit lang kami lumakad. Napuno na kami ng snow. Pero super, malamig kung sa malamig. Pero later, lalabas kami, maglalaro kami sa snow. I think this is a very, how would I say that? Unforgettable experience. I've never seen this much of snow in my entire life. Even we've been in Japan for several winter days or winter months. This is only the first time. I actually stayed in Japan for 3 months during the winter when I'm working in Toshiba. Pero, hindi siya ganito. Hindi ko rin siya na-experience. I think you will experience this only in Sapporo, Hokkaido. Ayan. Or maybe Aomori also, no, Daddy? So, there are also other prefectures na medyo talagang maulan. Pero kung sure spot and then medyo tourist friendly, tingin ko okay dito sa Sapporo. Ayan. Ayan. So, dahil nga free day kami today, so siguro birthday lang kami, happy birthday, ganyan. So, may kami ng cakes later, kain tayo mamaya-maya. Hintay lang namin si Daddy. And pag nakapag-rest ng konti, we'll head back to Odori Park and we'll play sa snow. Dadali namin yung mga pang shape ng snow. Meron kaming mga snow shaper, like mga bibe, bear, yung ginamit namin sa Kanazawa last time. So, and we'll let MJ play there as well. Okay? So, tara, kain tayo. Look, what MJ got.
That's mine.
Oh, this is MJ. Siyempre, cake girl yan. Pwede mo yatang ganunin eh. Ang galing eh. Pwede chocolate cake pala. Chocolate girl.
I don't think I can move it any further.
And then you can get it.
Yeah.
And then, this one is kawaii. Kawaii. It's like banoffee pie and strawberry pie. I don't know if it's just strawberry. But we'll see. Tingnan. And, dami kong cakes. May ganun pa. Binax pa talaga nila yan, ano? Ang cute nito. Nice. I think these are all going to be good. Look. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you, Daddy. Yan. Tara. Kain tayo.
Ano pa ako?
Kain tayo mga kakikikis. It's my birthday. First try. Strawberry.
How's it?
Ang tamis ng strawberry.
Wow.
Very mild yung lasa. As in,
Nice.
some people may think na matabang. Pero kung sanay ka naman, alam mo yung nasusurprise ako matamis siya actually. Dahil yung Japanese cake, usually hindi talaga siya matamis masyado. Yung super mild yung lasa.
It's a compliment to say it's not that sweet.
Yeah. Tapos may crunch siya sa dulo.
Nice.
May crush. Ano ba tawag doon? Crust. Yeah. So, pwede buhatin para hindi tayo mahirapan. Ganyan. And kay MJ syempre si MJ chocolate yan.
You like it?
Yeah, because it's dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate.
Nice.
Kan mo. Akat pa yan. Huh? So, this is the strawberry. And super good. We'll try the other one. This one is Banu. I'm not sure, pero banana siya. I'm thinking na similar to Banoffee. Banoffee pie. Pero, social na Banoffee pie. Kasi, pie pala. Kasi magkano rin siya? Ito, 600 less tax pa yun, diba? Wala pang tax. Mga 700 something to kasama yung tax. Tama ba? 750 siguro. Yen. Magkano yun? Mga 300 pesos yun sa atin. So, hindi siya mura actually. Pero, dito, yung standard dito ng mga pagkain. Mahal pa rin yun. Feeling ko, mahal pa rin yun, no?
Yeah.
Kasi, naisip ko sa mga grocery, mas mura yung mga cake, tapos sa mga convenient.
Before I eat it all.
Pero,
Not sure.
ang sarap. Hindi natin, di ba? It's not even comparable doon sa mga convenient.
You guys
Sorry.
want to taste before I eat it all.
Okay. Ubusin na raw ni MJ sa kanya, pinapatikman niya sa amin. MJ is a chocolate, yan. May parang layer siya, no? Mousse. Tapos chocolate. Mousse. Chocolate. Sarap. Mapa. Konti lang, kasi maliit lang yung slice ng kay MJ. Sarap. Dark chocolate,
Dark chocolate's the best kind of chocolate.
Tapos may isa rin si Daddy. Yun naman sinuha ni Daddy. Yung square. Chocolate din yun. Pero, ito muna. Tapos meron pa kaming pudding. Or egg custard. Masarap din yun. Kaya na tayo. Tara. Pusin na natin to. Okay? Mamaya uli. Kainin lang namin to lahat. Lahat talaga. Sarap to. See, everything is all white. Oh, mga ka-KKKs, we're outside. And, Daddy, baka, atadyakan mo muna yan. Baka yan, hindi yan matigas. Okay. Talagang gusto mo dyan? Gusto mo? Yeah. Picture lang kita from there.
Can I take a picture of this, not Daddy?
Of this city. So actually Odori, we're supposed to play in Odoro Park. Unfortunately, it seems that they closed it. There's portion na open, that part, Daddy.
Yeah, yung malapit sa Yep, you can go.
Yan, so kita nyo mga ka-KKKs, may nakita ba kayong hindi white? Meron naman, syempre. Pero the city is covered with snow. And most part of the Odori Park is actually closed because they're removing the snow sculptures. Because yesterday, the festival, or actually February 11, the festival already ended. Yan. So each year, if you want to see the festival, snow festival, you need to be here between February 4 to 11. So I think they celebrate the festival the same time or days of February every year. So hindi siya nag-change. So we're going that way and enjoy the Odori Park covered with snow. Yan, magre-recreate kami ng some photos. So we are here, same spot last year. During the summer, were so many flowers. Now this is what we got. During the peak of their winter. See, the clock tower, the Sapporo Tower. The trees are covered with white snowflakes. Snow. Covered with snow. So everything turned white and cold. Yeah. So, yan. Nice, di ba? Everything here. Odori Park. So many places are closed. So many parts of the park is closed, by the way. Sorry. And MJ and Daddy are actually playing there. Sarap. Nakagawa ba? Able to make a perfect May I see? Ah, what's that? Duck. May I see the duck? Oh, very good.
Look at the perfect bear.
Be, ilagay mo kaya yung sa ulo mo, yung ano.
No, I don't want to. It makes it harder for.
Okay.
Look at the perfect bear.
Because it's still snowing. Right? Everything turned white. Nako. It's not all beauty, di ba? Tingnan mo, basta ganyan na lang itsura, basta matakpan ka. Kasi it's snowing hard. So, ayun. Anyway, so today, still our, actually this is our 5th day already here in Hokkaido for our Sapporo Ice Festival trip 2026. And it's my birthday today, as I've said earlier. We're just enjoying the Odori Park. Unfortunately, only a small portion of the park is open. So, the one near the Sapporo Tower. So, kanina, nalabas kami. There's only few people outside trying to take photos. Maganda kasi, pakita ko sa inyo, i-post ko dito. Yung picture, pag nandun ka sa gitna and then yung view mo all white and then Sapporo Tower. Pero guys, pero mga ka-KKKs, kung pupunta ka yun dito, you need to be really prepared with your warmers. Talagang dapat very much ready. Kasi the weather is so unforgiving. Super snowing and super cold talaga. So you need to make sure you to keep your body warm. Ayun, so yun lang. So gabi na. After neto, we'll do some shopping. We have some list to complete. We will be going to Susukino. But before we go to well, we'll go into Susukino for two things. First, we'll go eat Ichiran. That's MJ's request too. Too bad, hindi pa kami nakasabay kagabi kasi hindi sila nagkaintindihan ng daddy niya. Nagsasabay na lang sana kami kala Daddy Ken, yung kasama namin. But since we're still here, we will do that. Hopefully, hindi ganun kahaba yung pila. And then after Ichiran, we'll head to Tanoki Koji, going back there to do yung shopping sa mga some essentials that we like buying here in Japan. Yan. So, number 1 na yung aming collagen tablets. It's highly recommended. Try nyo yun. DHE collagen tablets. It's not so expensive. It's available in drugstores or if you want. Actually, there's not much difference naman if you buy it in drugstores or Donkey. So, yun. Since ginagamit na rin siya nila nanay, kami, maganda siya. Lalo na as you age, yung mga masakit yung mga tuhod.
Just put it.
Yun. Tsaka, yung side effect pa niya, nagiging supple yung skin mo. So, simula na nag-take ako noon, hindi na ako pinipimple masyado. So, yun.
Look like, you know what?
Alright, so that's all muna for today. I-end ko muna ang aming day 5 dito sa Sapporo. See you again!
Baymax, di ba? Baymax?
Bye-bye!
Yeah.
Regular. Okay. Sige. Sa ito, I'll probably try...
I'll have blue hazy. IPA?
IPA.
IPA. How about you?
Snow Yuzu White. I'll try this white beer. I think it is white. Para ano lang, try na natin ito.
Oh, yes.
Yung regular.
300 ml.
Para ano, makakatingin pa tayo ng
Ako.
if you want one. May gusto ka dito.
Another thing. We're going to have 3 kinds of beer. So I also have
Blue Hazy, Abashiri, and IPA.
Ito yun sa'yo, may draft beer. This one is yours. Okay, so ito yung beer. Tapos ito yung black. Take ito. Blue hazy pati.
Okay. Naman siguro yung Blue Hazy.
Picture na. Let's try first. Sa'yo. Choose mo yun sa'yo.
Kampahin. It's good. Well, black beer, it's always good.
Yep, it's good. Hindi to mapait. Masarap.
Yeah. Nice, nice.
So, and then meron pang ganito. Blue hazy.
Ito na, tingnan mo naman to. Check. This one's,
Parang kape.
well, cerveza negro.
Tastes like off. And then this is another.
Okay.
So ito eh.
Ano yan?
Ito yung fruity na sabi.
Ito pa na lang. That's good. So this one's for mine. This one's for mine. Okay. And the blue one. Cheers. Blue. Wow.
Tastes like fruit.
No, surprisingly good. It is good.
Cute. No. I'm gonna do that. Ito lang. Ang sarap ng cheese dito, brie.
Prosciutto.
Ito lang, under up here. Later.
Hindi.